Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 22 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts for this week is an image of something being held. I've got this lady holding the telephone. A pair of glasses or monocles. My bird's got the glasses. Something bright. I've got flowers. A picture of a piece of jewelry. I have got these 3 pieces of jewelry. Your favorite number or numbers. I really don't have a favorite, but I like this 3, so I'm going to use that. And bonus is graph paper. So I hope everybody's doing great. And without further ado, let's get started. Well, I'm doing pretty good. I'm just going to start off here. And I'm going to put that down. Let's see. Right about there. And I'm going to let that be my ground. There's just some coffee dyed graph paper that I have. I'm excited. I got my printer. And I'm liking it. It is an Eco Tank. But I got the cheapest one that I could find that got good reviews. So mine is a Canon 3270, and it wasn't a bad price for it because it is an Eco Tank. So I did print out my little bird there with it. I haven't got to use it much. I was working on my journal that I just completed, and I do have it up in my Etsy shop if you watch the flip through. Hey, kid. He's coming to check out what's going on. And of course, my glue doesn't want to do right. There we go, maybe. Okay. Get that. And I'm going to just clip this off. We've been getting a good bit of rain. Okay, now, let's see. I want to put my bird right there. And I'm just going to put my flowers around. Like that. I like that. So let me get this down. I don't know why I'm having such a hard time with my glue. Let me get it unstopped and I'll be right back. Okay, hopefully I got it. So let me get this down. All right. I want to get this up just about as high as I can get it. Maybe. Okay. My flowers came from one of my cut collage books. It's the, I forgot which one. It's that yellow one that's got the cute funny dog on it. I've used it quite a bit. Okay. And this one. I love the bird. I think it is cute as it can be. It's so funny. Okay. little behind on some of my videos. I've got to do my 50 stack challenge 6. It'll be a little late. Like I said, I've been working on that journal, and I was trying to get it. It was for May, and I was trying to finish it up. And I really liked how it turned out. Okay, my favorite number. Let's see here. Her somewhere. I think I'll have her. And now my jewelry. There. There. And one there. And I do want to do some splatters. I have been falling down on my splattering. Okay. If I can get it open. There we go. All right. So we have got her image of something being held. She's holding the telephone. A pair of glasses. I've got these. Something bright. I've got my flowers, and my bird's bright too. A picture of a piece of jewelry. I've got that. And your favorite number or numbers. I've got number 3, and bonus is graph paper. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2025CWP22 to see what everyone else has made. Y'all take care. I love you. And until next time, bye.